goal with this activity is to improve your upper body mobility by creating expansion and stretching in the uppermost parts of the thorax. I really like this move for someone who has limitations both front and back in the upper thorax, so IR and ER measures, and if someone needs more exhalation mechanics, so someone with a limitation in hip extension. If this sounds like someone you're working with, this move's for you. Here's what you're going to do. Get yourself a bench, get yourself something to rest your head upon, because you're going to be doing a headstand today. For the headstand, to reduce the amount of pressure you're putting through your neck, you're going to take your hands and put them, or wrap them around your head, just like so. So this is the position that I'm going to be in. And as I get into the headstand position, I'm actually going to push upward to reduce the strain on my neck even further. From a leg perspective, you're going to put your feet on this bench, making sure that your hips are over the top of your trunk. Just like so. From here, I'm going to tuck my hips, I'm going to push up through my arms, and I'm going to breathe. Get that tension in the abs, breathe in. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.